Alright, I want to see what I could show you guys about taking these carburetors apart and cleaning them. So we're going to start by removing this bolt on the bottom of the bowl. I've already broke this loose ahead of time. And take that out. We're going to put everything in our parts cleaner. A little gasket here. If we can, I like to take these off and keep them out of the parts cleaner because it doesn't tend to play well with them, but this one is pretty stuck on, so we're just going to leave it for now. Alright. Now pop the pin out of the float. Our float will come off with our needle. This has a rubber tip on it. Gotta be careful with those. Float. It's not really dirty, but we'll make sure it stays floating. We have a jet in here we got to pull out. And the seat in here, which we may or may not be able to get out. We'll start with this jet, slotted screwdriver. Ooh, that one's stuck in there pretty good. See if we can go one size up. Nope. That wasn't a good sound. That is the sound of the jet disintegrating. We'll have to just leave it in there and hope it cleans up. We'll try blowing some air through it now and later. Alright, we're getting some airflow, so maybe it's not too clogged up. See if we can get the seat out without destroying it or losing it. They like to go flying. Hard to not lose these when you're doing this. That one definitely doesn't want to come out. Let's see if we can get it with a pick. Oh, that doesn't have a rubber seat. That is brass with the rubber tip on the needle, which is good. It means we might be able to salvage this. Now let's see if we can, is this going to come off? No, that's going to tear, so we're just going to leave it for now. I'm going to pause you guys for a second. Sorry about that. A couple of our screwdrivers were missing from another project the other day. We're going to go ahead and take as much apart as we can to get this thing as clean as we can. We're going to make sure and blow it off before we stick it in the bath to keep from getting it too dirty. This choke butterfly valve, it's just pressed in there. We should be able to just pull it out. They usually pull out fairly easy, but as I mentioned, this one's been sitting quite a while. There we go. And drop that for the wash. Now this should come straight off. We have a spring. We don't put plastic in the wash if we can avoid it. Let's see what we got here. We're just gonna pop this plastic piece off. This keeps you from adjusting the jet too much, more than the EPA wants you to. Let's see what we can do to get rid of this. There it is. Now that that's off, this should just unscrew all the way. This adjusts your flow for your fuel. Alright, let's take the butterfly out. This is for the actual throttle plate. Controls the air entering the engine, which in turn controls the fuel. We're going to note that this is numbers out so that we know how to put it back. That should just come out pretty easily. It's got some gunk on it for sure. Pull this out. Everything looks metal. So we're going to wash all that. Couldn't take the jet out. We have no seat to take out. Pulled the fuel line off. Took the main jet out. I'm sorry, the idle jet. The main jet is right here. Can't take it out, trying to make sure we clean it as best we can. We're going to put all this to soak. You want to soak this for a minimum 30 minutes. If it's not minimum 30 minutes, an hour or two is usually better. You can leave them overnight, but you don't want to leave them in here too long. We're going to be back to this in a little while. We're just going to lightly tap that cap back on. And we will see you guys next time.